Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we're tackling a hidden enemy in your bathroom, the shower head. Let's face it, over time, hard water deposits, mineral buildup, and even mold can take up residence in those tiny little nozzles. But fear not, fellow clean freaks! Because today, we're going to transform you into a showerhead deep cleaning pro. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more amazing cleaning hacks and home improvement tips. While you're at it, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's get scrubbing! Why clean your shower head? So, why is cleaning your shower head such a big deal? Well, besides the obvious aesthetic improvement, a sparkling shower head just feels good, and there are some practical reasons too. A clogged shower head can lead to uneven water flow, which means less pressure and a less enjoyable showering experience. Worse yet, mineral buildup can harbor bacteria and mold, which is not something you want hanging out in your shower. Yuck! By regularly cleaning your shower head, you'll ensure a strong, even flow of water, eliminate any potential health hazards, and keep your shower looking its best. Before you begin, gather your supplies. All right, before we dive into the deep clean, let's gather our cleaning crew. White vinegar. This natural powerhouse is a fantastic descaler and disinfectant. Baking soda. Another multi-purpose wonder. Baking soda helps scrub away stubborn mineral buildup and deodorize. Any plastic bag without holes in it? We'll use this to create a vinegar bath for the shower head. Rubber bands, to secure the bag to the shower head. A cleaning toothbrush, optional, for those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. An old towel or rag, to wipe up any drips or spills. Safety glasses, optional, especially if you have any concerns about splashing vinegar. Some optional extras. Distilled water. If your tap water is very hard, using distilled water in the vinegar solution can help prevent further mineral buildup. Dish soap. For a little extra cleaning power, you can add a squirt of dish soap to the vinegar solution. A pair of pliers. If your shower head is particularly stubborn about detaching, a pair of pliers might come in handy. Remember, always be sure to check the manufacturer's instructions for your specific shower head before disassembling and cleaning. Some models might have detachable components that require special care. The deep clean process. All right, let's get down to business. Step 1. Prepare the shower area. First things first, protect your shower floor from any drips or spills with an old towel or rag. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Step 2. Detach the shower head if possible. Many shower heads can be easily unscrewed by hand. If yours does seem a little stuck, you can use a pair of pliers for leverage, but be gentle. Don't want to damage the plumbing. If your shower head seems permanently fixed, don't worry. You can still clean it effectively while it's attached. We'll adapt the process a bit later. Step 3. Create the vinegar bath. Fill your trusty plastic bag with enough white vinegar to fully submerge the shower head, or the shower head face if it's not detachable. You can use distilled water to dilute the vinegar slightly if you prefer. Step 4. Secure the vinegar bath. Now, use the rubber bands to create a tight seal around the bag and the shower head. Make sure the shower head is completely submerged in the vinegar solution. Step 5. Let it soak. Alright, the magic happens now. Let the shower head soak in the vinegar bath for at least 1 hour. For tougher grime buildup, you can leave it for up to 4 hours. While you wait, why not check out some of our other cleaning hacks on the Big Sweep? Step 6. Time to scrub. Once the soaking time is up, carefully remove the plastic bag and rinse the shower head thoroughly under running water. You should already see a noticeable difference in the water flow and the overall cleanliness. Step 7. Tackle stubborn deposits. Optional. If there are any stubborn mineral deposits clinging on, create a paste with baking soda and a little bit of water. Dip your trusty toothbrush, or a similar soft bristled brush, into the paste and gently scrub the affected areas. Step 8. Reassemble and final touches. If you detached your shower head, go ahead and reattach it, hand tightening it securely. Turn on the shower and check for any leaks. Finally, Wipe down the showerhead with a clean cloth to remove any remaining cleaning solution or debris. Showerhead cleaning for fixed models. Don't worry if your showerhead isn't detachable. You can still give it a good cleaning. Follow steps 1 and 3, filling the plastic bag with enough vinegar to reach the showerhead face. Secure the bag with rubber bands as best you can. Let it soak for at least an hour, then remove the bag and run the shower for a few minutes to flush out any loosened mineral deposits. You can also use a spray bottle filled with vinegar to directly target clogged nozzles. Remember to be careful not to drench the surrounding area. Preventing buildup, maintenance tips. Now that your shower head is sparkling clean, let's keep it that way. Here are some handy tips for you. Regular soaks. Repeat the vinegar soak process every month or 2, depending on your water hardness. Daily wipes. After each shower, quickly wipe down the shower head with a microfiber cloth to remove any water droplets and prevent any buildup. Shower head filters. Consider installing a shower head filter. This can help trap mineral deposits before they have a chance to clog the nozzles. Bonus tip. For an extra refreshing shower experience, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the vinegar solution during the soaking stage. Just make sure the oil is water-soluble. With these simple steps, you can transform your shower head from a grimy mess to a sparkling beacon of cleanliness. Remember, a clean shower head not only improves your showering experience, but also promotes better hygiene and water pressure. Before you go, leave a comment below and tell us your favorite way to deep clean your shower head. We're always looking for new tips and tricks to share with the Big Sweep community. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome cleaning hacks and home improvement content. Ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload.